Cooking is an art, but finding the right tools to bring your culinary creations to life can be a challenge. This Gotham steel hammered egg pan, a game changer that promises to elevate your cooking experience. With its 5.5-inch compact size, stunning design, and unbeatable non-stick surface, this pan isn't just a tool. It's a necessity in your kitchen arsenal. Whether you're cooking eggs, delicate omelets, or other small meals, this pan has you covered. Why you need the Gotham steel hammered egg pan in your kitchen. If you're looking for a high-performing, easy-to-clean, and stylish frying pan that can handle all your cooking needs, the Gotham steel hammered egg pan should be at the top of your list. Its combination of ultra-nonstick technology, durability, and health-conscious design make it the perfect choice for anyone who values quality cookware. The 5.5-inch size is ideal for those who cook smaller portions, while the Ti-Cerama coating ensures that your food cooks evenly every time. Plus, the dishwasher-safe feature means less time spent cleaning and more time enjoying your delicious meals. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, this pan offers everything you need to take your cooking to the next level. First impressions: stylish, compact, and ready to perform. The Gotham steel hammered egg pan immediately catches the eye with its sophisticated hammered copper finish, giving it a premium look that adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. It's not just about the looks, though. The 5.5-inch size is perfect for single servings or small meals, making it ideal for quick breakfasts or solo cooking sessions. But it's not just small in size, it's big on performance. Ultra-nonstick ceramic coating, a revolution in cooking. One of the standout features of this pan is the award-winning Ti-Cerama nonstick coating. This technology is a game changer when it comes to cooking delicate foods like eggs, fish, and pancakes. The ceramic coating ensures that nothing sticks to the surface, allowing for easy flipping and no-fuss cleanup. No need for oil, butter, or cooking sprays. Everything just slides right off the pan. This makes it not only a healthier choice for cooking, but also an incredibly convenient one. Durable and scratch-resistant, built to last. When it comes to cookware, durability is key. The Gotham steel hammered egg pan excels in this area with its robust solid aluminum construction. This ensures even heat distribution, so you won't find yourself with hot spots that can burn your food. The pan is also scratch-resistant and safe for use with metal utensils, meaning you can flip your eggs with a spatula without worrying about damaging the surface. Easy cleanup. Dishwasher-safe and hassle-free. No one wants to spend their time scrubbing pans after a delicious meal. Fortunately, the Gotham steel hammered egg pan is completely dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. For those who prefer to hand wash, a simple wipe with a sponge will do the trick, thanks to the non-stick coating. Whether you're cleaning up after breakfast or dinner, this pan makes it easy to get back to enjoying your day without the hassle of a messy kitchen. Versatile and convenient. For all cooking needs, this 5.5-inch frying pan is not just for eggs, it's perfect for all your small cooking needs. From omelets and scrambled eggs to searing fish or sautéing vegetables, this pan is versatile enough to handle various types of meals. It's compatible with all cooktops, including gas, electric, and induction, making it a perfect fit for any kitchen setup. Whether you're cooking for yourself or preparing a small meal for two, the Gotham steel hammered egg pan ensures that you can do so efficiently and with style. It also makes a wonderful gift for newlyweds, housewarming parties, or anyone who appreciates high-quality cookware. Health-conscious cooking, 100% toxin-free. When it comes to cooking, health is always a top priority. That's why the Gotham steel hammered egg pan is designed to be 100% toxin-free, containing no PTFE, PFOA, or PFOS, common harmful chemicals found in many non-stick cookware. You can rest assured that your food will be cooked without any harmful residues or toxins leaching into your meals. This makes it an excellent choice for health-conscious individuals who want to enjoy tasty meals without compromising on safety. A perfect addition to any kitchen. This pan is as practical as it is stylish. The rubber grip handle ensures a secure and comfortable hold while cooking, allowing for precise control when flipping or stirring. Whether you're flipping an omelet or sautéing vegetables, the handle stays cool to the touch, offering both comfort and safety. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.